Hi up there guys, in this video I will show you how to unban someone on Facebook page. Firstly guys, go and open your Facebook page and then you're gonna have an option for settings button on your right upper side. Click on that and then scroll down and look for people and other page that says on the section. Then as you can see you have four options. What you need to do is just simply click on the third option that says ban people and pages. Click on it and then here as you can see, here is the list of banned people on this Facebook page. What you need to do is just simply go on the right side by clicking unban on this side on this person by clicking again, and guys, with this we have unbanned someone on Facebook page. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.